I'm helping my wife in the kitchen today. It's Sunday. She's always at home with the kids, and it's not easy on anyone to be taking care of 2 kids and be preparing all the whole food for the whole family. So when I'm not at work, when I'm at home, I help out in the kitchen. That's how to be.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today my husband Obi is here helping me in the kitchen today. He decided to come in the kitchen and join me, so I'm happy for the help. I mean, he cut the vegetable more neater and better than me, so I have him doing my vegetables. Yeah. We curry as well. We don't know which one I have to do.
Where are the clocks? Only man happy in the kitchen. Good husband happy in the kitchen. The man above the class. The husband happy in the kitchen. The husband happy in the kitchen. The husband calling carrots. I'm not boasting, but anything I do at all, I always do it good. I always want to do the alcohol. I drink good ones, and then they're good quality.
Man, your hand, Buddha.
Yep.
And she's supervising.
No, guys, honestly, the way how we cut these vegetables is so nice. I don't have the patience to do it like this. To be honest, I don't have this kind of patience. I have to have patience to do it like this.
Actually, men cook better than women.
Did you know that cooking, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Listen, cooking.
Mm-hmm.
You get it, yeah?
Oh, king. Oh, so it says king.
If you notice most of the programs, cooking shows or stuff like that, yeah, you will find like 5 girls, and all of them is just men.
Oh yeah, you see?
Chef, yeah? Chef sounds like a man.
Yes.
And I'm not being sexist because I'm a woman, but chef, it just doesn't sound like a woman.
You see, that's why
you know, so men are meant to be amazing cook, and that's like a part career that a lot of men do choose to take.
That's why I was saying to him, yeah, it's mostly man in the kitchen, inside the kitchen in Jamaica. Because in Africa now, they find it weird for like African man like go in the kitchen and cook because it's not their culture, you know.
It's not because I'm African. It's men's culture generally. Men are not supposed to be always in the kitchen.
Yes, but who sister though?
Nature.
You know say about their culture, or you know say nature sister.
Nature said so. Check out animal life too. The men go out to bring food. Women lay the eggs and take care of the egg and feed the young ones.
That's what you think nature tell you.
It is mostly like that. You know, so Jamaican men that cook are those that have a lot of time at home. Their job is not like a very serious job or a job that requires a lot of time outside. You see, they have a lot of time. They have petty jobs. That's why they're always at home.
Well, I would say, like, let's be fair though. A lot of the men who cook in Jamaica, they are chefs.
Oh yeah,
if that makes sense. Most of them are chefs. That's their job. That's what they like doing.
Yeah.
So.
But say, your uncle don't really go in the kitchen. Have you not ever eat from him?
Which one?
Grape.
Yes. He only, like, for example, my uncle, when I eat from my uncles, yeah, they have a loads of guys in the yard, yeah. It's like,
yeah, just put these ones in here.
No, I want to put this one different because this one we cook first before this one.
Yeah. So you have to tell me how we cook it. No, so which one we cook before which one?
These ones we cook first because these ones are thicker. These ones will be added when you.
Yeah, I know. So if you put it in here, then you put it here and here, so you can go and cook.
Oh, let's put it directly to the pot.
Yeah, so put it in the pot.
Okay. These ones shouldn't have come.
No,
now.
these ones is best for not the thick vegetable.
Okay, yeah. You're right.
See, he can cook, but he just have me in the kitchen all the time.
I have limited time to do other things and then come to cook. I don't know so many Jamaicans, but you can't tell me that people like Shaggy. Huh?
And all of them, they go in the kitchen and they cook. All of them, they're started, everybody. Of course, man in Jamaica, they just like go in the kitchen. They feel they can cook better than you. Didn't you see the interview they asked Vice Cartel who cook? And Vice Cartel said him cook.
Now or when he
No, it's first them.
Okay, when he was with Shorty, he's not going to be the same thing.
Well, you know that someone still treat European woman better than black woman. They think black woman
I never knew him, but I could imagine.
No, but I think he still cook, and I think his boys cook.
You mean when now?
Yes, he's with Shorty. It doesn't matter. That's what
when he was when he was with Shorty, maybe occasionally if they go out, he might cook on or like a picnic. But Shorty's is going to be cooking most of the food.
I think he
But now, if he waits for a white girl to come and cook lasagna and spaghetti for him to be a Jamaican, he's going to be he's going to be disappointed.
In Nigeria, the man them or the woman?
Men does everything better in Nigeria because we have more time and more dedication to whatever we're doing.
I don't think no Nigerian man can cook.
Because they don't want to.
I don't think you can.
I can cook very well.
So who you never cook for me?
Because I have other things to do.
You hear? You can cook very well.
I can cook very well. Because look, most of us we serve boy. Either you serve somebody or you serve your brothers. So we live outside of our family homes, and then you must have to learn how to cook. Buying food in Nigeria is like a shameful thing, so everybody cook at home. So I know how to cook very well, but since you're
you
the
never
woman,
cook for me and cook your food so you can taste it now.
You're the woman, and you have to have the time for that because this is Europe. We must work every day. If we are living in Africa, there's a day you go to work or a day you don't go to work, or some people will work for you. But we are in Europe. We are like living the era of mini slave. We must work every day to be able to pay the bills.
Alright, me hear that, but look, on YouTube here, they're asking me if I cook Nigerian food. And I said no, but I'm learning. Why can't you teach me to cook Nigerian food then?
Because I don't like Nigerian food here in Europe. Because Nigerian food is heavy and oily. I eat it in Nigeria because in Nigeria there is sun, there is heat, there is activities, you sweat, you go here, you stay on the queue, you shout, you come. But this is Europe, everywhere is cool and calm. And my work is sit down and drive. So I don't eat Nigerian food, it will make me heavy and sleepy. So I like light food.
But that doesn't mean you're not to teach me to cook it, so once in a while I can cook it for you.
Well, if the time comes, when we have time, like we're going on holiday now, if we go on holiday, I will get the ingredients and teach you.
Okay guys, so you see the problem? That's the problem. So you are asking me if I cook Nigerian food. From my team, I've never seen him cooking it.
Yeah.
Have I ever seen you cook Nigerian food?
No.
And
viewers, don't blame her if she doesn't cook Nigerian food. I don't eat Nigerian food. I don't cook Nigerian food at home because I don't need it in this environment and these circumstances. So I don't teach her. I eat mostly European food because the circumstances in which I am, European food is good for me. My job consists of sitting down 24 hours and being awake and being, active, focused. So I don't eat heavy food. If I was in Nigeria where I have to walk, then I'll eat heavy food and sweat and walk. But now I don't need swallow. Light food is okay for me. So I don't teach her how to cook Nigerian food.
And the reason why I don't think he's showing me how to cook Nigerian food because most of his life he was in Spain. And when I visit Spain, I mostly see a lot of white people. I hardly see black people. I don't even see an African shop. I don't even know if they have African shops. So that's why. So he's not this typical Nigerian. He's not a typical Nigerian man. He's not like them back home, well traditional, demanding.
Yeah, the food is burning. So, viewers, if I was a typical traditional Nigerian guy, at this age I am now, I would have had a big belly.
Yes, true.
Yes, because every of my age mates, they always have.
It was a burning,
because the combination of food with the atmosphere and the circumstances, people don't pay attention to it. So eat very heavy food in a European cold weather